Okay, I've got a Toro CCR 3650 snowblower, and my pull cord is starting to fray. If you can see that right here. And I know that that's just going to break, and my pull cord is going to go flying on the inside, and I will not have a snowblower to use until I take this whole thing apart and fix that. So I watched a video on how to replace the cord, and I decided, well, this cord is all still pretty good. So I think really all I need to do is tie a new knot down here, cut the excess and the tear off, or the broken spot off, and keep on using this pull cord until the summertime. So to do that, just pull a little extra cord out. And I was looking at this and trying to figure out how to get it off, and it's kind of slick how they do this. There's this metal plate on the back, and if you just take a screwdriver, pop that out, you're going to see that the pull cord is in this piece of metal, and there's just a knot in it. So really all I need to do is slide this out, get my little piece of metal that holds the pull cord in place past this little fray, which is harder than it looks, but super simple. Whoops. And then I'm just going to tie a new knot right here. It's just a simple loop knot, nothing magical. It's the exact same knot that they have here. Well, it's a little different, but it's just got to be a big enough knot that it can't fit through that hole. Pull it tight. Now I'm just going to cut this excess off, and I'm ready to roll for a little bit longer. I mean, literally that took maybe 2 minutes. So let me go get a scissors and I'll cut that off. I'm just going to cut it right there. Slide her back in, give it a good pull to make sure it's nice and tight. Now this is not a permanent fix. That's an indication that my pull cord is getting old and I should replace it with a new one. To be honest, I could take this all apart, get another cord. You don't even have to buy a Toro cord. You can just use like a clothesline cord, as long as it's a good, solid, strong cord, not a woven cord. This one's got a center core in it that's nice and tough, and it'll last a long time. This snowblower is probably 10 years old, and this is the first major repair I've had to do to, well, minor repair actually. But there we go. It's all done, ready to roll.